Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. Yes, sir, I'm Cuban Pete. I'm the craze of my native street. When I start to dance, everything goes chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom. The senorita said sing and I swing with that umbrero. It's very nice, so full of spice. And when the dancing they bring a happy ring to that quiero, singing a song all the day long. So if you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
He's a really modest guy, although he's the hottest guy in Havana, in Havana.
See, senorita, I know that you would like a chicky boom chick. It's very nice, so full of spice. I place my hand on your hip, and if you will just give me your hand, then we shall try, just you and I. If you like the beat, take a lesson from Cuban Pete, and I'll teach you to chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom, chick, chicky, boom.
What's the matter with the cat today? I did it with the devil Uber. I'm the desk and clear the dinner. Uber the top to the body. Hit that, jump, shake it, and wow, see ya.